Hi, I'm Elvis Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to be making an Italian-style macaroni and cheese. This is the way that you're gonna end up buying asparagus in a store if you get it fresh. You can just buy like the asparagus spears like in a can, but I like fresh stuff, you know. So you got rubber bands on there, don't even worry about it. And you know what? I'm not even going to use all this today. But sometimes it's just cheaper just to buy in bulk, you know. Do what you like, you know. But the reason also that you do this, you buy like the whole spears, is this bottom half right here, it's very woody. It's got like a very woody flavor to it. So you're not going to use these. That's why every time like sometimes like when you cook asparagus and stuff, you go to a restaurant, they're just going to cut off that very end. They saute this in like butter and stuff, which is fine. But that's the main part right there that's like really woody. And if I was making a stock, I would put this in it. It does still add some kind of asparagus flavor. And for some reason, inside of the liquids, it doesn't really matter. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to take probably like, count out here. We've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Probably like 10, 12. You know, use it like your own discretion on what you want. And this is a prime example right here of what you want to look at when you're looking for fresh. See that? It does not look good. Throw it away. You want to look at these heads and feel them. They're firm. They look good. Make sure that's like what you're getting, you know. You're buying good stuff. You want to make sure you're going to use good stuff. But once you check all of them, kind of straighten them out. Cut off those ends. You can use all these. But since like we're making it in a pasta, what I'm going to do is cut them in half. Because they're too long to like sit in that pasta, right? So you want to go ahead and cut these up. Probably going to use a couple of more. Like I said, make sure you check your heads and everything. Get rid of that woody flavor. Cut them in half. I think right here, that's going to be pretty perfect. You know, you're just going to have to do it at like your own discretion on how much you want to use. And that is going to be basically like your next step to sauteing with the fennel and stuff, because it's not going to take as long to cook as like the fennel would. And that garlic, you want that garlic to start coating on it.